Namaskar. Greetings, everyone. As the President of World Dance Alliance Asia Pacific, I feel very happy to extend our greetings to one and all the guests today and pledge to provide our encouragement and support to the dance community that we serve and would wish to continue to serve. We must dance for ourselves, for those around us, and for our future generations. In these strange times, one remembers Antonio Gramsci's words, pessimism of the intellect, optimism of the will, that he wrote in his prison notebooks. COVID-19 holds us literally in our safe spaces, prisoners of our concerns and fears for others and selves. I hope we shall not give in to cynicism and go on dancing, find ways and means to dance in new ways. We would research dance, and I hope we would also celebrate the spirit of optimism that dance can give us. Thank you. May this occasion, this event, be very successful. Namaskar once again.
Dear members and friends of World Dance Alliance and beyond, a very warm welcome to all of you who have joined us for the Ocean Dance Festival. We are committed at the World Dance Alliance to build a community and a vibrant network of people who are associated with the world of dance in different manners.
Very, very happy that I'm standing here to see this beautiful site holding this beautiful conference. Also to tell you that global WDA assembly next year will be postponed to the year after in 2021, and we are so lucky we have whatever we have now in Bangladesh, the beautiful site of Cox's Bazar.
I would like to say, world dance community, be strong and move forward from coronavirus 19 in the future. All we need now is to dance more.